4-2. 9 minutes, 52 seconds. Gomar. Floater. All 4. 9 minutes, 37 seconds. Oops, turnover. Black ball.
Benta si Elvis!
Cortez. Oops, out of bounds. Same ball. Our cameraman of this moment, Wemby Vicente. Carl to Cortez. To Romar. 3-pointer. Good shot by Romar. 7-4. Elvis. 7-4. 8 minutes and 39
Grabe naman
seconds.
bit-bit yun.
9-4. Matagal na daw nawala laro yan. Mati.
Di, wala ka nun, di!
Uy, 2 points.
Carl, baba, Carl.
Jeremiah with the ball. Skip step. Extra pass. Uy, nice fake. Runner shot. No good. Adi. Uy, nice defense by Eljan. The big man.
Eljan, rumarag ka sa!
Eljan. Uy! Kamay.
Gogo,
Okay lang.
dude. Eljan, ayos ka lang!
Uy, braso mga baka naitulog yan.
Puta, lumakas ah! Elvis, rumarag ka sa! Nice pass.
Roman. Uy! Dalawang isip. Nice fake. Ganda naman. 11-6
Maui, rumarag ka sa!
in favor of Team Black. Big Black team. Elvis Malas. Jeremiah with the ball. Pass to Cortez. Oops!
Sayang yung spin ko dito, kuya, no? Kaganina. Layo ng surilis ang bola ko eh. Sakto kay Madi.
11-6, 6 minutes, 35 seconds. Romar.
Step back.
Uy, short. Soft touch.
Wow.
Carl, uy. Foul.
Talagang may spin ka rin, ha?
6 minutes, 34 seconds. 11-6. Cortez. Eljan, kick out. Nice shot, 2 points.
Nakangiti ang puta ragis.
Out of bounds.
Yung
6
pogi yun.
minutes, 34 seconds.
Ang ina mo. Yabang. Hampas ko kaya sa itong video.
Romar, setting the play. So Eljan, the point guard. Kick out. Romar. Ooh!
Grabe naman yun!
15-6.
Nagsakar Tangina, magsisig ka, gabi na. Ayos Magaling, magaling. Yak, pinagkampi mo si Elvis tsaka si si Madi, kuya.
Cortez. Out of bounds.
Pinagkampi mo si Madi tsaka si si Elvis. Gago, babalagbag.
Sino ba lamang? Ay, lamang naman to eh. Lamang yung
Mamaya kakanahan sila Madi.
9-point lead. 15-6. In favor of Black Team. 15-6. Romar.
Wala ka yan.
Corner 3. No good. Elvis.
Elvis, rumaragas
Focus. Turn around. Uy, hindi handa. Not ready. Jeremiah.
Sa'yo na, Di.
Two points. 15-8. Cortez, nice pass. Vasquez.
Sa'yo na, Di.
Fake. Uy, grabe naman yan.
Bulbulin di bata yun
15-10. Romar. In and out. 5-point lead. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Elvis going hard. 2 points.
Sabi sa'yo.
Bag.
Babalagbagin
Tatlo na
nila
lang.
yan.
Mati. Uy. Foul. Sayang.
Di, kala ko titing manalilin Titing baluktot pala.
15-12 in favor of Team Black. In favor of Team Black.
Nice one.
Oh, nice. 1 point lead. 15-14. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Cortez, pass to Carl. Carl, go around. Pass to Romar, 3.
Wow.
Then, 3-pointer. 18-14. Madi. Uy.
Wala.
18-16.
Sa'yo, Carl.
4 minutes, 24 seconds. Cortez. Eighteen, 16. Corner 3, Jeremiah. Short. Guys. Matras. Cartabon. 3 points.
Kanina pa yun
21-16.
Diretso.
21-16. Number 6. Nice play up. Short play up.
Wag.
21-18. 3-point lead. Omar to Carl.
Wala yan.
From the wing. No good. Nice offensive rebound. Put back. 23-18. Lundagan ah. 23-20. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 3-point lead. 23-20. In favor of Team Black.
Sila Traiyan pala ang mga kalaban ko ah.
Parang wala eh.
Parang pala ito mga kalaban ko kuya ano. Kuya Maui. Sila Traiyan. Pelicans po.
Wala.
All-star pala itong mga kalaban namin ah. Sila Traiyan.
23-20 ah. 23-20. Omar, floater. JR, pass to Madi. 3v2. Nice pass. Sa 23-22. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Guard.
Na-drive yan.
Corner 3, Jeremiah. Out of bounds. Change favor. 24-23. Lamang na ang putik. Isa. 24-23. In favor of Team White.
Inakain ka dyan, bis.
2-pointer. Change favor. 25-24.
Tang ina
Shot. Bumawi.
Tang inain ng buho.
26-25.
Kinain ng buho si Elvis.
2 minutes, 46 seconds.
Ginawa, gawa ka sa buhos.
26-25.
Gawa ka sa buhos, bis. Ayun o, truck. Tagadala ng buhos.
Card. Omar. Fake. Floater. Mati, all alone. 28-25. 3-point lead by Team White. Two minutes, 5 seconds. Omar, floater.
Grabe si Jomar ah.
28-27.
Elvis, bumubulusok.
Elvis again. Magpapamura ka lang. Omar, to Cortez. Nice pass. Uy, extra pass.
Ah!
Uy! Elvis. Uy! Another miss. Advantage. Nice pass. Change favor. 29 29-28. 1 minute, 12 seconds. Madi. Recover. (29-28) in favor of Team Black. Elvis floater, no good. Uy, ginako. Eljan, defensive rebound.
Sa'yo na, Carl! Baba!
51 seconds. Drop pass. Carl. Layup. 31-28. 3-point lead. 40 seconds. 37 seconds. Madi. Long three.
Nice one!
Tie game. 29 seconds. 24 seconds. Cortez. Out of bounds. All 31. 16 seconds. .9.
2 seconds.
16.9 seconds. All 31.
Wina ako, kuya.
16 seconds.
Titirangan yan.
9. 8 seconds. Time remaining. 8 seconds. 8.2 seconds. seconds. All 31.
Naku, nabawasan pa yung oras. Unti na lang eh.
Ayan, na-edit naman eh.
8 seconds and 3 seconds. 8.3 seconds. Inbound. 7, 6, 5,
Wala ka niyan, di.
4, 3, 2,
Foul, foul.
2 seconds.
Hindi pwede. Hindi. Joke lang. Nguti, 3 minutes.
2 minutes na, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Amin na yung buong oras mamaya, ha?
Running time to ha, running time. 2 minutes. All
Amin na yung buong oras
31
mamaya, ha?
all
Takin na
31.
nyo, ha? Nagsisiba ka, tas ganyan ugali mo?
Decision tayo, decision. Running time tayo, 2 minutes. Game. All 31.
Uli, dalawa.
1 minute and 48 seconds. Running time tayo. Romar.
Abot.
Luwag. 1 minute and 10
Elvis,
seconds.
sumarga sa...
Elvis, Romar.
Boom.
Uy, nice follow. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Carl, didiskarte. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Edgar, na libre. Uy, nagawan. Jeremiah, extra pass.
Nice one.
Nice shot. 2-point lead. 57 seconds. 33-31. Uy, nice pass. 46 seconds. Seconds.
Bilis ko yung mga baller, running time.
37 seconds. For a tie. No good.
Ayun na tayo.
Hoy! Tie game. 33.
Ayun na, talo na.
Hoy! 36. Ay, 35, 33.
Sabay mo na.
Chan! Hoy, 35, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Nice game. Final score, 27-33.